Innovation is essential to drive improvements in performance and efficiency within cleaning. We can help you harness cleaning innovation, and in return you can increase your team performance on the ground, exceed your clients' expectations, solve practical problems and drive business KPIs. At Arrow, we look at the same problems but think differently. Our innovation culture aims to bring a fresh perspective to problems and identify new solutions. We don't pretend to know what the answer is now, but we do know how to find it. We have developed our structured innovation program specifically to help you deliver cleaning excellence. The combination of three aspects makes us unique to put innovation in action. These are great minds, novel and useful ideas, and practical implementation. We spend time with your team to fully understand their cleaning processes and problems, and this forms the foundation of our innovation program. From here, novel and useful ideas are produced by bringing our teams together where they can challenge each other and develop effective criteria defining what all products have to meet. We use our extensive product knowledge and over 40 years experience to develop and produce products that work. Take SlipStop for example. SlipStop was developed from our innovation program with the ABM Group at the Manda Shopping Centre in Wolverhampton. They needed a better solution for leak cleanup and management, so this was specifically designed to manage leaks in buildings and act as a visual hazard sign to visitors. This replaces the traditional approach of combining an A-sign, bucket and absorbent pad. It's been very successful with multiple shopping centres and public areas registering interest. But we're not all just about product development. As your cleaning partner, we're passionate about bringing you the best cleaning innovations the global market has to offer in order to help solve your problems. If there's already a product out there that in existence that will make your team more efficient, we'll bring it to you. Quick and Easy from Green Care Professional is a revolutionary, eco-friendly cleaning chemical. We sourced this as part of our innovation culture. Our customers wanted controlled dosing, high performance and sustainability. This product has won 2 global innovation awards. Innovation is part of our culture at Arrow. It's a core capability. It enables you to increase your cleaning efficiencies, to solve practical cleaning challenges, to maximise your cleaning budgets, and to ensure that your teams are adopting the latest in cleaning technology.